My dear student, Assalamu alaikum. May peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. This is MD Aminur Rahman, Senior Teachers of Milestone School and College, Sector 4 branch. Hope you are well in your home. We are passing a very critical situation. In this situation, to overcome this situation, we have only one weapon. We have only one weapon in our hand to face or overcome this situation, that is, stay home. And save yourself, save ourselves. According to the Bangladesh government, Milestone School and College also arrange online classes. Apart from this, today we are going to start online class of Bangladesh and Global Studies on very important topics of Chapter 6. Today's topic is the Human Resource Development of Bangladesh, lecture number 16. So now let's see our today's topics. Human Resource Development in Bangladesh. Human Resource Development in Bangladesh. My boys. Human Resource Development. What is Human Resource Development? A human being became an asset of a state or society, family, whatever. When he or she will do something for the family. I told you again, my boys, or my student, a human being become an asset. He will be considered as an asset when the human being or population will do something for us. Look here, China's vast population. Population is the most important element of forming a state. This population, in some countries we have in Africa, third world, some countries, those who have population, but their population is barriers of development. But in first world, some countries we have vast population, their population is the helpful to their development. Do you know why? This is the developed country, they are able to make the population into human resources. That's why their population is considered human resources. In a sort of sense, look here, in a family. Suppose in your family, one of you, the first boys or any other, for example, Shafiq's family. For Shafiq's family members, there are 10 members. There are 10 members, and the Rafiq's families, there are 4 members. Among the 10 members, they are not skilled, they are not educated, they are not skilled. And other hand, Rafiq's families, though they are 4 members, the 2 members are skilled, educated, trained. So here, whose population will be considered the human resource? Undoubtedly, those who are skilled, those who are educated. Those who employed their married, in broad sense come here, those who employed their married and labor to increase the production in agriculture, industry, and the mail factory or some or other service sectors, they will consider manpower. My dear student, look here again. Those who employed their married labor and increased their production in agriculture, industry, and service sectors of any country turn themselves into manpower. This sort of manpower is called human resource. Human resource to turn every unskilled person into skilled manpower or asset. It is possible to develop human resource with the proper education, training, housing, Medicare, and food. So my dear student, to make the manpower. The most important topics of this lesson: manpower, human resource, manpower. That means when we will able to make our population skilled, unskilled to skilled, turn our population skilled. That time our population will consider as manpower. So to make the population manpower, to for the economic development of a country, for our economic development, some steps should be followed to make sure education for all. My dear student, if you want to confirm our economic development, some steps, some strategy we have to follow, such as education for all. This one must have to confirm before everything. To arrange the proper Medicare. After the education, then we have to confirm the health opportunity of everyone. Proper Medicare for all. My dear, to arrange the work according to one's skill, according to our subjective knowledge, according to our training, according to our subject, I told you again, according to the subjective knowledge of us, our working area should be created. If we are able to create this environment, then our population, undoubtedly within very short time, they will turn into the human resource or manpower. Have to arrange proper training. This one, training. There's no alternative of it. If we are able to confirm the education for all, Medicare for all, and arrange the working environment where everyone will get opportunity to work according to their own skill, and by the proper training they will be more skilled. Only then the productive human beings will be created. My dear, human resource development in Bangladesh. Let's see some data of Bangladesh human resource development. According to the last population survey or census, 2016 to 17. In 2016-17, the population survey said to us our total population was 16 crore 80 lakh. Look here, 16 crore 80 lakh. Our total population is 16 crore 80 lakh. Where, my dear, where 35 lakh, 6 crore, where 6 crore 35 lakh. 6 crore 35 lakh only employed. So what about 9 crore 73 lakh? Just we subtract from 60 crore 8 lakh to 6. We subtract, sorry, my dear, 16 crore from 16 crore 80 lakh, subtract 6 crore 35. Then we will get the 9 crore 73 lakh. This population is unemployment. Yes, there are some disabled, unable, man, old people, or the child we have, but not 9 crore. It may be 4 or 5 crore, but still we have about 400, about 4 crore, above 4 crore people we have eligible to work, but we couldn't able to give them the opportunity of working. That's why we are in lag behind. If we are able to confirm or ensure the working opportunity of these people, this 4 crore or some 4 crore more, some more people, then our population will be considered human resource or manpower. The 6 crore 35 lakh people we have, they are working in different sectors. Among them, 4 crore 35 lakh men and 2 crore, only 2 crore is a man. Can we imagine here also here is also gender discrimination. My dear student, we have 16 crore population, 6 crore something we are working, and 9 crore, about 10 crore people are not working. Again, the 6 crore we are working, among the 6 crore, 4 crore 35 lakh men, only 2 crore a man. In this situation, how can we confirm our economic development? If we want to confirm and ensure economic development, then the rest people, those who are not working, we have to arrange their working opportunities. We have to confirm the working of men. Men should be equal in the field of working. That means our gender discrimination should be removed. Okay, my dear student, the population we have, those who are working in the various sectors, then 6 crore. Among them, 40.6% was in agriculture sector, 20.4% was in industry, 39.0% was various welfare service sectors. Another thing, the ray of hope we are observing, my dear, look here in the chart, our literacy rate of Bangladesh. Now, just see the literacy rate of Bangladesh in 1971, after the liberation war, our literacy rate was less than 20%. In 1991, the literacy rate of our country was 29.02%. In 2009, the literacy rate of Bangladesh was 54.8%. In 2018, the literacy rate of Bangladesh was 72.8%. What you are observing from this chart? My dear, look here. The literacy rate is increasing day by day. The literacy rate is increasing day by day. That's telling us our population also converting day by day into human resources. That means our Bangladesh government has taken a lot of steps, and we the people also interested. We are getting education. We are conscious about our rights. We are getting education. By the way, our literacy rate is increasing day by day, and our whole population also becoming the manpower day by day. But we have some problem, my dear. Our great problem is poverty. Most of the people of our country, they cannot afford to provide food and the education to their children. Due to what? Due to only the poverty. As a result, they cannot become skilled manpower rapidly. They are running behind a circle. Their poverty, poorness, they are running behind around the circle. This circle is called vicious circle of poverty. My dear student, a country is poor because it is poor. As it is poor, and everything is running around the poorness. Let's see the vicious circle of poverty. Look here, my dear. This is the vicious circle of poverty. Low income. Those people have the income low. Those people, those who have their income is low. So their saving, what will be? Undoubtedly their saving also, demand and saving also low. That means low income, low saving. If income is low, saving is low, then investment will be also low. Then look here, income low, saving low, investment low. then the capital efficiency will be also low. Then if your income is low, if your saving is low, if your investment is low, if your capital efficiency is low, then your productivity will be also low. That means just 1 or 2 minutes ago I told you a country is poor because it is poor. That means your income is low, your saving is low, your investment is low, then your productivity also will be low. Some people of our country, those who cannot afford their children, they cannot ensure their children's food security, education, health, and etc. They are running around this circle. So in this situation, we have to also overcome if we want to confirm our human resources. My boys, now I think you enjoyed with me. You are enjoying with me in this class. Now let's take your pen and paper and write down some homework for you. My boy, write down this homework. It's the homework from you. And question number 1, it is what is called manpower? Question number 2, what do you understand by human resource? Question number 3, what do you mean by BGSt circle of poverty? Question number 4, how does the BGSt circle of poverty obstruct human resource development? Question number 5, explain the way to turn the population into human resource. My dear student, from this lecture, if you have any problem, don't forget to ask me or your subject teacher. Ask, and after completing this homework, you will send a pic of your answer sheet to the respective subject teachers and as well as me. Hope you will complete the homework with your full effort and energy. So, my dear, lastly, one word for you. Just stay home. Thank you very much. Stay home and connected with your studies. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.